Stay inside, don't move. Don't go outside. If you do go outside, wear a mask over your face so you can't breathe deeply. If you're not active, if you are sedentary, if you are sitting 5 hours a day at work and 5 hours a day at home, that's equivalent to smoking 2 packs of cigarettes. More importantly, the lymph system only works when you're active. So walking, running, jumping, climbing, spinning, dancing, that's how you activate the lymph system. Stay inside, don't move. Don't go outside. If you do go outside, wear a mask over your face so you can't breathe deeply. That is crazy. This is insanity. The very things that they are telling you not to do are the very things you have to do to trigger your immune system. And you trust the Western medical system. You trust it because your mother trusted it, and your father trusted it, and your grandparents trusted it. I'm not happy. I'm not happy because my grandmother goes into the hospital for surgery and they don't even know how to keep her alive.